You want to swim? Wait a minute, Kylie. Let me
She's gonna swim back to the raft.
back to the.
No, go out over there.
Go out over here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Kylie. I gotta watch Lauren for a minute, okay?
I can go underwater and stay underwater.
Back to the pool.
Here she
I'm
goes.
trying to swim back to the pool.
Okay.
Good job. Good.
There you go.
I always over to that hand. Grandma,
What?
I got you.
push me a little.
And here comes Kylie. Here comes
Oh,
Lauren.
Grandma.
You swimming?
Spit on me. She spit on me. Where you want back to the pool?
Okay, Kylie, look at Grandma.
There you go.
Look at Grandma. You gonna dive now?
Uh-huh.
Let me see you dive.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me get over here.
Bend over. Get your
Put
knees.
your head down. Put your.
Uh-oh, gotta watch out. The fish is coming through. A
It's
fish
just
is
those
coming
little-
through.
It's just the little fish.
Go on.
Here, I'll get him out of the way.
Okay, now
No,
look.
that's just a cute little fish. I have some dead of those kind of fish at my house. But mine actually.
Okay, bend over. Bend over.
Wait. Are you gonna dive?
Touch your toes. Touch your
Touch your
toes.
toes. Wait.
Keep your head down.
Wait, Lauren.
Bend your knees a little
Bend
more.
your knees.
Head
Head
down.
down. And fall in.
Just fall in.